Hey, do you know that as per the Forbes magazine, Fortune 500 CEOs work on an average of 9.5 hours a day? That is totaling to 62 hours a week, which is much higher than an average employee who works 40 hours a week. But how productive are they? And it seems they are just 10% productive, which is less than an hour in a day. And what about you and me then? Hello and welcome to eConsult Business Podcast, your trusted source for insights into consulting world. I'm your host Vishwa Mohan, and we are diving into this topic which is essential for success in a virtual consulting world: how to stay productive in the virtual environment. To kick things off, let's discuss why staying productive in virtual environment is critical as consultants, especially if you're a working professional. Even more difficult to just find that bookends in the day beginning and the evenings to crush your goals. So let's explore why virtual productivity is a paramount for consultant success. First is time optimization. Effective productivity ensures that you make most of your time within the limited virtual hours of consulting that you get. Second is client satisfaction. Clients appreciate consultants who can deliver results effectively and on time. Third is business growth. Productivity directly impacts your ability to take on more projects and increase your income. Now that you understood building and maintaining virtual productivity is not an easy feat, here are the 6-step strategies to excel in that area. First, set clear goals. Define your consulting objectives and create a structured plan for achieving them. Second is time blocking. Allocate specific time blocks for your virtual consulting work during the weekends. And third is eliminate distractions. Create a dedicated workspace and minimize your interruptions. Fourth, prioritize your tasks. Identify the most critical tasks and tackle them first. Fifth, leverage technology. Utilize productivity tools and apps to streamline your workflow. Sixth, reflect and adjust. Regularly evaluate your productivity methods and make improvements. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to stay productive in the virtual environment as a weekend warrior in the world of independent consulting. Remember, your ability to efficiently manage your tasks can make all the difference in achieving your goals to financial freedom. If you're eager to learn more about creating a productive environment and succeeding as an online consultant, don't miss out to join our Extrapreneur Consulting Masterclass, where I'm going to show more about opportunities to refine your skills and grow your consulting business. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Vishwa Mohan, your guide for e-consulting world. Signing off, until next time, keep optimizing your productivity and keep pursuing your path to financial freedom. Cheers. God bless.